Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can get the none option in the payment sections when you just type the changing the country region and you see that they require your credit card and amount details. The fourth option is that none, so it's not showing in your case. So how you can get that none option in your iPhone, maybe iPad? Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone and to have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. And also make sure that you just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, simply just go to your App Store and just go to the Apple ID and just tap on an ID and just wait for the second. I'm gonna go to that interface. So it's showing the loading and also see that there is an option of country and region. Just tap that and just wait for the second. So when you just change in the country region, just like that, I'm gonna select the region. So I'm gonna select a region from here. I'm gonna select United States and just continue it and also tap on that agreement of that and just agree it and again agree it. And you see that none option is now showing on my section. When you just change the region, it's showing in that. So I'm gonna select the none option and just wait the network issues. So just have to just select the none option. So in your case it's okay, so in my section is problems, so you just have to select the none option. So in your case you just have to just follow the steps and you get the none option in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.